Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to get wide angle on Snapchat. So if you want to get or use wide angle effect on Snapchat, this video will show you how to do it. So in order to get wide angle on Snapchat, what you have to do is, first of all, just open your Snapchat. So I'm going to open my Snapchat like this, and now what you have to do is, here you will see. Now what you have to do, here you will see smiley face. Just click on this smiley face and you will see many types of effects are there. Now if you want to get wide angle, what you have to do is just click on this explore. So when you click on this explore, here you will see search option, and here you have to search for, just click on it and search for wide angle. And now here you will see many types of wide angle effects, but choose first one. So like this you can get angle effects on your Snapchat. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.